no, when a female ejaculates, that is not pee. That fluid does contain a little bit of urea, which is obviously in pee, about 3% of urea. But the bulk of that fluid is actually an alkaline fluid, a fluid that's very similar to the prostate gland in males. And because those two, the periurethral and the prostate gland, are analogous, they're the same thing in men and women, that makes sense that that's the fluid that comes out. Well, how does it come out? Actually, the bulk of it, or the majority of it, does come out of the urethra. So that's part of the confusion why people might think that it is pee, but it's not. The periurethral glands actually has periurethral ducts that empty into that urethra and a little bit into the vaginal canal. So sometimes you might actually have a little bit of that ejaculate come out of the vaginal canal as well, but the bulk of it will come out of the urethra. And when it comes to amounts that come out, it can vary. It can be a few tablespoons to a couple drops, but it can be up to 700 milliliters. The average is about 250 milliliters, so that's a cup of fluid. So it's an awful lot. So I always tell people, if they're experimenting with G-spot and female ejaculation, to put a towel underneath you, or maybe to experiment in the tub, because it could get a little liquidy.